Y'all don't know this, but this is like our 10th take. We're gonna do this.
We're gonna do this without editing.
No editing. We're done.
We're done with it.
So, scene.
I'm not too fussy.
I don't know why this is so hard today. All right, Roxy. Roxy, come on.
I can't.
All right, so we're gonna restart this again.
Roxy off rocks. Dr. Pepper off. I don't know.
Anyways, we're gonna start over. So go for it, Roxy.
I'm Roxy Foxy.
And I'm Dr. Pepper.
Today we are trying. I did it again.
All right, so let me tell you the story here. Normally, I introduce, then Roxy says her name, and then I ask Roxy what we're doing. So I asked Roxy, Roxy, how about you introduce us? Roxy's, yeah, that'd be great. Okay, Roxy just asked me what we're doing today. What'd she do? Takes over the show. We're not stopping this. We are going to record this, and we're going to show it, and we're going to have a good time.
See? Behind the scenes.
If we ever actually get to the product, it will be a good video.
Yeah.
I hope. I'm really looking forward to it. All right, so take number 4.
I'm Roxy Foxy.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Pepper. Hey, no, I did it. Go ahead.
Take 375.
All right, go ahead.
I'm Roxy Foxy.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Pepper.
What are we doing today?
Hey, Roxy, we are going to try out. See, look, we did it. We are trying out Reese Thins. I am very. I love how you're peeking around. I am very excited about these. I really like the thin cookies, the thin Oreos, the super crispy little Oreos. Those are really my favorites. What do you think?
Alright, I do like the
Roxy's
thins.
trying to unsubscribe from us. I think she's tired of us. Anyways, so we bought a regular pack of Reese Cups.
I can't do this because I'm right here.
We bought a regular package of Reese Cups and Thins. All right, so
Share.
And may I have to share to you? Yeah. Okay. All right, so open these.
Suit everything today.
Resealable bag. All right, this is not a resealable bag.
Not
All right, so
anymore.
Roxy, grab one. 2. Let's grab 2. All right, so hold on. We gotta open up the other one. Compare them.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so first and foremost, they're considerably thinner than at least the package is. You want to talk?
Yeah.
I'm kind of taking over.
Alright, so we are super excited! I have too much sugar!
We've done a lot of videos today, and they've all involved a lot of sugar. Ain't that thing? All right, so here's just your atypical Reese cup right here, right in front of right here.
It's gonna be a long video. Thank God, everyone.
We're not starting over.
Yeah, we already opened it.
All right, so here is just our standard Reese cup, and you want to open that? We're gonna.
You want me to?
Unless you.
Oh, they're itty bitty.
They're Thins. All right, so there it is. It's about the size of a York peppermint patty. What are you doing? All right, so first off,
They're tiny and they're small.
they're tiny and they're small.
No, I mean they're. Rusty's off her rocks.
Yes. So first thing I noticed is that there is no paper underneath the receipt.
You're lucky.
I think that's just the way they're making them. All right, so side-by-side comparison. Yeah, I would say, what, half? What do you think, half?
Half. I like the regular because it has more peanut butter.
Tell you what, we got 2 of them out here. If we can stack 2 of them up and the same height, then it would be half. All right, so side-by-side. Maybe it's a little over half. All right, so would you like to cut these in half? Oh, look, it's a Mickey Mouse. Here, you do
Not
that.
sponsored.
It's a Mickey.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored by Disney or anybody else.
Except for us.
Except for us.
Who got some Reese cup?
But we're gonna cut it, show the inside. Hold on, don't slice it in pieces. How do you like your Reese cup? Oh, in chunks.
The weakness is laughing.
Noodle arms. All right, you want to show them what the inside looks like? Oh, wait a minute, look. The shirt. The shirt.
This is just a funny. There's a weird thing today.
Yeah, we're just having a very off day. I hope you enjoy it.
Hopefully.
We're enjoying ourselves, are you?
Yeah.
All right, so here's...
Until we had lunch.
Yes. So I would say the inside is probably a lot less peanut butter, and which is a downside of this. That's probably my favorite part of the Reese cup is the peanut butter.
Well, yeah, so basically the whole thing.
No, that's half of it. All right, so you ready? Grab. Just grab. It's just very demanding. I'm not real sure when this will air, but we have had a lot of sugar today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Doink! It's a Reese cup. What are you gonna say?
It's more chocolate.
Yeah. Let's compare it next to a regular Reese cup. Why not? We have it here. We're gonna eat it. You know we are. Are you ready? Do not shove the whole thing in your mouth. Come on. Doink! Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, so much better.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, please. One what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What'd you eat? Alright. While Roxy over here is eating,
I'm done.
she's done. Alright, so according to the side packet, 3 of these equals 170 calories, whereas 2 of these equals 210. So 4 of these is basically the equivalent of 2 of these. But honestly, I'd rather have 2 of these. And this is a whole lot cheaper. You can catch them on sale, 50 cents. This bag, which you get a lot.
Yeah, but
You get there's a considerable amount in there. This bag was like $3. So I would say if you're trying to cut back on calories but still want something sweet every so often, I think this would probably tide you over. I mean, they're good, but not Reese cup good. I know those are Reese
is there
cups.
another cup in there?
Roxy,
I have the idea.
you have? Is it shoving a Reese cup in your mouth?
With another Reese cup.
We're not. How are you gonna do the outro? How are you gonna say like and subscribe and all that? All right, Roxy, what do you think about these? I'm not gonna let you shove a whole Reese cup in your mouth. So after today, we're going back to the puppets. I'm Roxy. Oh, I'm not Roxy. All right, come on. We got to finish this thing up eventually. Go ahead. This is why we don't live stream. All right, Roxy, go ahead.
Yeah, they're friends, and me, Spicy Boys and Spice Girls.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the likes, subscribes. Smash that like button, and until next time, bye.